having a dinner here at Crescent 28. Okay, Crescent 28, Dover, Singapore. February 27, 2026. Okay. There's Nixon Paul with a signature of 74 years old Singaporean with time. We're having dim sum. Okay, we're having lumakay, bok choy. What is this, honey? Pan choy and the pao. Okay, then this one. Pao. Okay. Enjoy Dover. Okay, Singapore. Okay. Enjoy. Okay. After this video to grocery, okay, we buy a little things. Okay, February 27, 2026. Enjoy Singapore. And having dinner, light dinner.